Good morning, good morning, good morning, baby ko. Have a blessed Sunday. Today is Sunday. I hope you're going to the church. And please pray for me and the whole world. But, kailangan natin magkape. So, let's make a coffee using our brown, brown mug. And this is also a oat milk. Yeah. Oh, the heart is just enough. Heart with a tail. I like this one. Heart with a tail. So, I love you, baby ko. This is a heart. Perfect heart with a tail, right? Love you.